Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nova Hydroculture. I'm your host Eric, and I wanted to show you the progress of our CASS automated system. This is our vegetable garden. We have some cherry tomatoes, Washington cherry tomatoes. Not sure what the difference is. This is my first time growing tomatoes, but I have to admit it was quite a success. Everything's fresh. The tomato plant smells so amazing. You can smell it all throughout your house, and I want to show you exactly what you're in for. This is what you're in for. I mean, just look at them. We have bunches of tomatoes growing at once. So beautiful. Look at that cute little guy right there. We got some ones that are just starting to ripen. We're ready for the picking. We got a few more here on the vine. We got some back here that you can't really see. We got a mess of, well, it's a tomato plant. It grew pretty aggressively. As soon as I turn on this light, they seem to enjoy all the nutrients it gets from our system and from the light as well. We got another bushel of tomatoes down here, some growing back there, and we also have our pepper plant, which is sadly being dwarfed by the tomato plant. I didn't anticipate that, but this is a special strain of lunchbox peppers. And let me go ahead and turn on the flashlight here so you can see. And we have a few peppers growing in there. We got some here, and right here, and we got them all back there. So we're going to try these, crack them open actually, and they're so fresh and so strong and potent. There's another one. We have a tiny little harvest in an automated garden. It does all the feeding for you. You don't have to feed. All you have to do is just pour water into your system every few weeks and you're good to go. Right now, as an experiment, we planted 2 plants next to each other to see how they would cope, and they're doing quite excellent. The only downside is the space that the tomato plant takes. Allegedly, there is some plant strains that grow smaller plants, same size as tomatoes, so that's what we need to do next run. Kind of like the same size of the pepper plant compared to the tomato plant. So that's all, folks. As you can see, the tomato plant is reaching all the way in the back of the tents. Just one plant is this massive, and you can see the root is very healthy, very strong and large. Nature is amazing. So get on board with Nova Hydroculture Systems, and we'll build you a system of 6, 4, or 2 feeding sites, and make sure that you're happy with your purchase, because after all, your growing success is our success. So we want you to have your own indoor garden inside your house in a small 3x3 corner. So check us out today, novahydroculture.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email, and we'll get a response to you ASAP. Thanks.